I got some bad news for fans of the Witcher TV show. Filming of The Witcher Season 2 has been put on hold again for the second time this year due to an outbreak of the new virus on set.
Fuck.
4 people working on the show have tested positive. They have been isolated and are reportedly not among the lead cast. Back in March, the production was halted for 2 weeks, but was then extended until mid-August. We can only hope they manage to control the situation well, or we might be looking at another delay of Season 2.
Alright guys, come on, let's do this. Animal Planet is over. Let's focus on this, please.
In other not-so-grim news, Netflix listened to the numerous complaints about the Nilfgaardian ballsack armor and they replaced it with a new one for Season 2. And I think it's glorious. Let me know down in the comments what do you think. That's it for now, take care.